Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Today we just wanted to show you guys a new solution we've built for currency exchange rates. We've noticed a lot of clients having issues with having their currency exchange rates automated to like the file cabinet or sent over via an email. The biggest reason being currency exchange rates do not support save searches currently in NetSuite. So for example, if you look at this page, there is no option to like create a save search, or you only have the option to like manually download this. But this is going to be a pain if you wanted to like automate this or use this for audit purposes. So we've come up with a solution that would allow us to build this tool using a schedule script, and this is a thorough script that we've built and tested out, and I'm going to walk through how easy it is to implement and get the exchange rates loaded into your file cabinet. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going into NetSuite, customization, scripting, scripts, and new. So here I'm just going to select the location of the file. So I'm just going to add a new script, choose it from the location. So once I have it, click on save. So once it's saved, create a new script record. So it's going to be a scheduled script, so I'm going to call it currency exchange, give it a name, ID. So yeah, and then you can deploy it. You can start scheduling it daily depending on how often you want this to run. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So once you have it, this is ready to deploy, and if you wanted to like test it out of the box, make sure that this works. The only few things that I would suggest in the script that is being deployed is make sure that the folder or the file cabinet is updated, and the emails that you want to send it to a particular user is also updated in the script. Currently available to be purchased. It's in the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much.